How's it going, everyone? Eric here, and in the mail today I'm a little excited. I received my, let's see if we can get a good picture of that, my Ancestry DNA box. Now these are not the results, this is just a test kit. So I'm going to open this up, look at the directions, find out what we got to do. I've been a little curious about my ancestry because I know on my mom's side my grandfather was from Mexico. His name was Jose, actually. Jose de Montanza. But I can't go further back than that. And on my dad's side, all I know is my dad would let me know we have some Native American. He said he has some relatives from Madagascar. But I can't trace my ancestry back. So I've been kind of curious lately, so I decided to order this Ancestry DNA kit. We're going to open up this box and see what we have to do. So get your little welcome to your Ancestry DNA little instructions here, a sample. So here's the kit. See, it's hard to get a good view there. There's the black line. So you have to fill it all the way there with saliva. You know, and just thinking about that, that makes my mouth dry. Sample. I guess sample sounds better than saliva. And I'm glad they say saliva because, you know, if they just say send in a sample, no telling what people may actually send them. Alright guys, so basically that's it. That's what's in the box. So we're going to do this later tonight. And we'll see you again in 6 to 8 weeks with results. 3 weeks later. Alright, so here we go. Well, I am definitely African. 39% Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples. 25% Benin and Togo. Yes, I will have to look all that stuff up. So you got 7 other regions. There we go. Wow. That kind of surprised me. 16% England, Wales, and Northwestern. You know, these are places I've never even heard of, and I feel like I should know more of this stuff. 6% Mali, Ivory Coast, more surprise there. 3% Ireland and Scotland. You know, that means some stuff was going on with some slaves back in the day. 3% Senegal, 3% German, 1% Nigerian. Migrations, I guess that means where we were brought over from and where we ended up. Southern states, African Americans. This is interesting. Now I'm gonna have to break in, look into this in more detail to find out exactly what all this means. 1850s, people in your tree. 1975, so it looks like we started in the south and northeast and got transported. 1925. This is interesting. I'm sorry this isn't the best video. But this is, like I said, the first time I'm looking in here and I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. Yeah, but I thought there would be some Native American in there, but I don't see any of that popping up. Then you can actually break down these percentages. So it looks like the vast majority of my roots can be traced back to the Central Africa. That's pretty neat. I remember my father told me we had some roots in Madagascar, so that's showing up. And then Togo, some more African. That just really surprised me, that one. And that's a high percentage, 16%. I would not have guessed that at all. England, Scotland, Wales. I guess these things, they are. They're full of little surprises. But I am definitely African. And Togo. 21 to 25%. More, it looks like a eastern central portion of Africa. Mali, more African. Ivory Coast, Ireland, and Scotland, which is another surprise, 3%. What parts? It's just not going to break it down. I mean, it's a very small percentage. Migrations. Let's click on that. Where your family was likely from. I know my dad was from the South Alabama. Why does that look like a penis? I'm so immature. I know my dad was from Alabama, and my mom was from Pennsylvania. Through your ancestry from. So it's kind of saying where you came from and migrated, as they called it, over, and how your family expanded once you got to America. The other regions tested. I don't know what that means. All 350 plus regions. I don't think this is saying, oh, okay, that's just regions that they tested. So I don't have anything in that region. So I'm not Pacific Islander. But in like the African regions, it tells you what areas in that region. Ah. Okay. So now I don't know if that means these 4 regions are where my people from and we had no connections in this area. Interesting. It's amazing how they can find out all this information just from a vial of your spit. Alright guys, there are the results from my Ancestry DNA test. A couple of surprises. I was surprised that no Mexican heritage showed up. According to what I was told about my family history, my grandfather on my mother's side was from Mexico. His name was actually Jose. And that is still possible. He could just had African roots and ended up in Mexico. So maybe he wasn't a native Mexican. I don't know. But it's very interesting to find out this information. I was also surprised that no Native American showed up. And it's funny, I was reading a story by somebody else that all black people are told, just about all of us are told we have some Native American in us. But if I do, it did not show up in the DNA test. I would really like to, and I think one of these days I'm going to do one of these with my son because he's biracial. So I would really be curious to see what percentage of his DNA will show as African versus English. But that's it, guys. It's worth the try. It was about $100 for the test. Very interesting, and it's cool to go see some of your relatives that are in there. Once I have some more time, I think I'm going to dig into that a little bit deeper. And until the next video, let's try it. Oh, you know, I was so good up until the ending. Let's just edit that part out. Maybe. So anyway, guys, until the next video. No, that's not a good ending for this. Let's try this one. Sorry, guys. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video for this. Let me think. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please comment below, and most importantly, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.